Brainspace is an analytics tool known for its powerful visualizations of data like concepts, keywords, and communication networks, helping you clearly understand and organize your data by bringing it to life. The dashboard here is visualizing information about your documents, finding which are original, or exact duplicates, or near duplicates. Plus, interactive timelines that illustrate more about your data and what happened when. A concept search finds documents that are similar but not share the same exact words and phrases. And this is where Brainspace excels. Going beyond keywords, it finds similar concepts, perhaps some you didn't even think of. If I search for wine, I find other terms like Syrah, tasting, raspberry, and maybe things I hadn't even heard or thought of, like Gary Vaynerchuk. Who is he? Here we see those same words and also a heat map of when those words were used. Domain was not mentioned for half of this year. Mentions increased for a bit, peaking in September. No mentions in October, only to have the cycle start again next month. It also visualizes other things too, various metadata fields, senders, recipients, how people are communicating. Brainspace is known for its interactive cluster wheel, which is how it visualizes the concepts that appear in your data. Looking at the cluster wheel and drilling down, we can see there are a lot of documents regarding power and trading. We should start here in our review. We can mark these clusters so that they can be easily identified and reviewed first. In this cluster, there's a lot of information on emails and HTTP, indicating that perhaps these clusters are more likely to be junk mail or spam. We can mark these as low priority. What you're going to do with this information depends on your needs. Are you calling the junk out? Are you hunting down the really important documents and you want to get attorney eyes on them first? Perhaps there's a hot document or smoking gun in there, something that's either good or bad for you. The goal is exploring these concept clusters, tagging them, and taking action on them. With other visualization tools like communication networks, you can see who is talking to each other and who else they're talking to. Brainspace is a standalone tool, but it also works in conjunction with document review platforms. If you're used to working in Relativity, you can load all of your data there and then visualize that same data in Brainspace. Then go back to Relativity and use your insight there. It now has full predictive coding and continuous active learning, so you can learn more about your data as your review progresses. This continuous active learning goes beyond visualizing data. It identifies documents similar to your responsive documents and bumps them higher in the review. It makes a more efficient and successful review. Having Brainspace visualize data like concepts, keywords, and communication networks, your team can better understand their data, organize it for review, or simply get to the good stuff first.